Good morning, dear students. How are you? Are you fine? Okay, we can start our topic for today's science summer camp. We will discuss about the food and its digestion. As you know, food is very essential thing for living beings or the living things. Food is very important. Without food, living things cannot survive for a long time. Okay. When we listen about the food, the different things come in our mind and some ideas also come in our mind. Food is a source of enjoyment. Food is enjoyed at a celebration with family and friend, as like a marriage party, birthday party and other celebration or festival. Like that, when we feel hunger, then we need food. And food is also important aspect of the social life. Food gives the body energy. Okay, the question is that what is food? In a simple way, we can say food is the item which we can eat and digest. Those things are called as food. Means which item which we can eat and digest, that is called food. Why do we need food? We need food to get energy for making our cells, new tissues, means bodybuilding, protection from the diseases, and regulation of our temperature of body. We will discuss about the food and its digestion. As you know, food is very essential thing for living beings or the living things. Food is very important. Without food, living things cannot survive for a long time. Okay. Question is that how the food gives us energy. Okay. It's mean food have some energy. Food, one thing here, one word you can see on the screen, nutrient. Food have the special type of the chemicals which are present in the food, and all the food don't have the all type of chemicals. These special chemicals are called as nutrients. Food are nutrient wise important. Some food contain only one type of the nutrient, other food contain other type of the nutrient. The nutrients are the special type of the chemical substance which present in the food. These nutrients or these chemicals are classified into two groups on the requirement of our body. The nutrients which are required in a large quantity by our body are called as macronutrients, and the nutrients which are needed by our body in a small quantity, those are called as micronutrients. And macronutrients names are, you can see on the screen, carbohydrate, protein, fat, while in micronutrients, vitamins and minerals. Carbohydrate, a special type of the nutrient which are especially provide the energy to our body, and they are found in following food items: bread, cereals, pasta, rice, wheat, etc., and whatever the sweet items in that carbohydrate present. In a simple way, we can say food is the item which we can eat and digest. Those things are called as food. Means which item which we can eat and digest, that is called food. We will discuss about the food and its digestion. As you know, food is very essential thing for living beings or the living things. Food is very important. Without food, living things cannot. Our body needs vitamins in a less quantity. That's why these are called as micronutrient. Vitamins help our body to protect the different types of the disease. They are found in especially vegetables, fruits, etc. Minerals, another nutrient that also need in a less quantity by our body. They are also found in some vegetables and fruits. The question is that what is food? Okay, uh, we discuss little in a brief about the food. Now we will discuss about the digestion. Digestion, when we take the food inside our body, then our digestive system start to do their work for the digestion of food which we put inside our body. The whole process, which is starting from the putting food items inside our body, and after complete process, we need to release food items from our body because that was not good for our body. The whole process from taking inside and releasing out is called as nutrition. Okay, and this nutrition have a following steps we will discuss in detail little. Digestion uh, means nutrition start from ingestion, means when we take the food items inside our mouth, then it goes step by step the further processing. All that processing are categorized into the following head or following group. First one ingestion, second one digestion, third one absorption, then after elimination. Okay, why do we need food? We need food to get energy for making our cells, new tissues, means bodybuilding, protection from the diseases, and regulation of our temperature of body. Question is that how the food gives us energy. Okay, it's mean food have some energy. Food, one thing here, one word you can see on the screen, nutrient. Food have. Now second step of the nutrition is digestion. Digestion means in a simple way we can say breaking down of the large molecules of the food item into small or simple molecules. Got it? When we put the food item in the mouth, from the mouth they will come into the stomach with the help of food pipe, that is called as esophagus. With the help of one motion, that motion is called as, or movement, that is called as peristalsis. Now in the stomach food came, and here chemical and chemical digestion will start. As you can see on the slide, eventually the food is reduced to a creamy paste known as chyme or chyme due to the action of the digestive system. When the food was in the stomach, partially it is digested. After partial digestion, it is pushed by the stomach into the small intestine. There, near about all types of the nutrient which are present in the food digested by the digestive system with the help of chemical substances completely in in the small intestine. Now that small intestine secrete the some receive the some pancreatic juice and bile, due to which digestion of the food nutrients completed here. Now that digested food particles or the nutrients into a simple form are ready to absorb or ready to come in the blood stream. In the intestine, there are the small finger-like projections, means finger-like outgrowth on present on the inner lining of the small intestine. Those are called as villi, villi. These villis having more blood capillaries. In these capillaries, the simple form of food nutrients come inside the blood, and now it is ready to transport from the villi to the different part of the body. That is called as absorption. And when they are ready to move with the help of blood, that is called as assimilation. After that, after the complete digestion of the food items, some food, some things are left. Those are called as undigested food. Those are not good for our body, so they are come into the or push into the large intestine, where the large intestine absorb the water from the undigested food and other electrolytes. Then after that undigested food is stored in the large intestine and turn into the fecal matter, and they are ready to go out from our body with the help of anus. That is called as, this process is called as egestion. Got it? In this slide you can see the complete digestive system and what is the role of their parts and what is the process going on in which part. You can see and try to understand. Here also a simple diagram of the digestive system to understand what function and what work is going on in the digestive system with the food. Here you can see, the summary of the digestion. In this means digestion start from our mouth after ingestion of food items, then after digestion, then after absorption and assimilation, and finally egestion. And in this way, digestion of the food completed by the body. In this slide you can see one pyramid in which you can see the fat, oil and sugar and salt. It is on the top of the pyramid, means we need very less quantity of these things in our diet. Below that, meat and alternative means which are the source of protein. It is little more. Then after below that there are the two category, fruit and vegetable are there, and bottom of the pyramid there is the rice and alternative means carbohydrates. Got it? So this is the pyramid picture, and it is helpful for completing your project work in your science project, especially in class 2 or 3. Then please subscribe my YouTube channel, like, share and comment. Thank you, and have a big thank to all of you. Okay, thanks to all of you, my dear. Whatever the confusion is there, you can contact to me in my WhatsApp. Inshallah, I will explain to you. And one more message. Last week topic, some student asking about the soil. I will prepare that video and slide. I will send inshallah. Okay, tomorrow or day after tomorrow. Thank you.